Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this 11-piece cookware set, and Melenta was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. So this is everything that you are going to get right here. You're going to get your 3 pots along with 2 frying pans. Your pots do all have lids, and this one here, I believe it's this lid. Nope, it's this lid right here that you can interchange with that. However, the biggest frying pan right here, it does not have a lid that you can use with it, but you do also get 3 utensils right here. 1, 2, 3. They don't feel like they are quite the sturdiest, but they are included with this. This is what your pans are going to look like. They do have that nice Melenta branding there on them. And then the inside here has the ceramic coating, which is PFOA free. And that's the same with all of these right here. Now, these are great. No matter what type of cooking surface you have, it'll work on all of your cooking surfaces, even induction cooking surfaces. Let's go ahead and check out one of the lids right here. Boom, there you go. It does have like a nice gold accent on that handle. And then one of the pots right here, same thing, has the Melenta branding on there. Now these are really nice and lightweight. They aren't super heavy like some of the other pots are, which I really like about that. Overall, great little nice starter set right here. Comes in this beautiful pink color. I do believe they have a few other colors as well. So if you're looking for something like this or a nice gift, whether that be for a wedding, housewarming gift, go ahead and check this one out.